Durable 40mm stainless steel conical burrs create uniform grounds for optimal flavor extraction. 15 settings, plus micro settings, let you adjust your grind to suit your taste. One touch start timer keeps your last setting, just push to grind. Hopper holds up to 0.75 pounds of coffee beans. Product dimension 12 by 7.4 x 16 inch. Grounds container accommodates up to 110 grams, enough for 12 cups. Never use water or other liquids to clean the inside of the grinder burrs. Top reviews from the United States. Yes, you can use it for espresso machines. Bought to replace an annoying Breville grinder that never was consistent and eventually blew a felt gasket somehow. This is a great unit, relatively quiet, for something that's smooshin' little coffee beans into powder, and very consistent so far. I've used 3 different beans in it, one oily, one decaf, one drier, and all have had great results. I use my beans in a Breville Barista Express machine, using the non-pressurized portafilter, and I have had great results once I've dialed it in. You have to grind properly and tamp properly, but you can easily get excellent thick espresso shots with this combination. I often tell people that the grinder is the most important part of the equation for home baristas. Yes, you do need a sufficiently powerful machine. Regardless, though, a crappy grinder will make your results frustratingly bad. A good grinder is worth its weight in gold, IMHO.